My video guide is about removing the new browser hijacker that attacks Google Chrome browser, and this hijacker is called BestSportSearches. BestSportSearches is a browser hijacker because its main mission is to change a lot of crucial browser settings without the customer's permission, such as the default homepage, default search engine, and the new tab. So what happens is that whenever you start submitting some search queries, you may get the results by some other search engines that have not been chosen by you initially. Some of these search engines are indeed pretty strange, such as nearbyme.io. Most likely you have never heard about it before. Sometimes the results are delivered by Bing, by Yahoo, or by some other search engines. So, BestSportSearches browser hijacker tries to make these important decisions instead of you. So it changes these browser settings and doesn't care about your opinion. We recommend you to get rid of this hijacker as soon as you can, and the best place to get rid of it is through the official website of the great antivirus program called Combo Cleaner. If you would like to do it manually, of course, there is also the solution to do that. Access the menu, go to More Tools, choose Extensions. If you find any third-party extensions related to that hijacker, get rid of it. But Combo Cleaner will help you to automatically fix your computer, automatically remove all other threads that could possibly remain on the system. Go to the page combocleaner.com, use this green download button, install the software, and start carefully researching and investigating your system with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threads on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called anti-ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threads that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the thread and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each thread manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threads automatically.